Which way do you want to go? Right leads to we're almost at the town square. Left leads to we're almost at the town square. The passengers have arrived. Annie says thank you. Where to now? Forward, the tunnel is nearby. Forward leads to the tunnel is nearby. Rusted bolts! The tunnel's collapsed and our friend is stuck. Can you piece it all back together? Drag the broken pieces back onto their spot on the bridge. Excellent! Drag the broken pieces back onto their spot on the bridge. Drag the broken pieces back onto their spot on the bridge. That's perfect! Great! Thanks a lot for your help. Which toy? That's perfect! Just slice or tap it to open.